Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone X and removing the SIM tray. This stops accidental power paths. Once done, place the phone on an ESD mat and attach a suction cup near the lower display edge. Use a P2 screwdriver to remove the 2 pentalobe screws. Next, insert a thin pick and pry the display gently, don't yank. You need steady, even pressure because the display is clipped and glued. Proceed slowly to avoid cracking the glass or damaging flex cables. Once the screen is lifted to roughly a hinge angle, prop it and remove the bracket screws that cover the logic board connectors. You must disconnect the battery first. This prevents shorts while you work on the true depth system. Then disconnect the display and front sensor flex cables so the panel is free. Remove the small bracket and carefully unscrew the Face ID module. When detaching connectors, use a spudger and lift straight up. Bent pins or torn flex cause permanent failure. You now seat the replacement Face ID assembly in its mounting, making sure the alignment pins are engaged. Tighten the screws snug but not over-torqued. Once mounted, reconnect the front sensor and display flexes, then finally the battery connector. This order reduces risk. Reinstall the display, press evenly to reseal clips, and reinstall pentalobe screws. Power on and walk through the Face ID setup. If setup fails, restart and reseat connectors. If you still get errors, one key tip. Inspect for torn flex or missing shield screws. Those are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.